welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 14th of our 28 days to splits challenge. I am ready. Let's get started on the mat. Today it's the first day, we're not gonna start in the butterfly pose. We're straight to the hip flexor stretch, the prep for the splits. So we're doing the hip flexor pulses, then we're moving to the hamstring pulses to stretch. So you can actually start in a down dog position. So down dog, let me just put my timer on. Okay, so down dog. Awesome job. And now from here with the right leg, we're gonna step forward into a nice deep runner's lunge. We're gonna drop the other knee down, and from here we're gonna pulse up. Pulse, 3, 4, and 5, and hold. And now again, pulse, 5, and hold. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now into the hamstring stretch. Okay, so move back, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold and stretch. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Hold and breathe. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Push forward, reach for the knee with your nose. And now we're gonna switch legs. Holy moly. Okay, down dog. Step the other leg in. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold and breathe. Here's your self-love daily mantra affirmation. I am at peace with where I am. I am at peace with where I am. And now pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. I am at peace with where I am. I am at peace with where I am. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now back. And 5, and hold. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Almost there, almost there. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And well done, everyone. That was awesome. Whew. Day 14. We're officially halfway through this awesome challenge, and from tomorrow we're actually gonna start going into that split with the help of some pillows and some other tools. Thank you so much for joining me today. Here's your self-love daily assignment. Give yourself a facial. Happy Valentine's, everyone. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.